My name is Stephanie Kessler, and I am the host of the ICTV cooking show named Box Free with Stephanie. On my cooking show, I demonstrate how to make basic foods with simple ingredients from scratch, and I hope you discover cooking box-free is fast and delicious. But I'm here today to talk about my live cooking show demonstration at the Itasca County Fair on Saturday, August 17th. I'll be in the commercial building doing some in-person demonstrations, whipping up some food at 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. It's free and open to anyone at the fair. I'm hoping to make carrot cake pancakes at the 11 o'clock show, and if you're like me and you love pancakes and you love carrot cake, then you won't want to miss this cooking demonstration. At 1 o'clock, I'm hoping to make fresh spring rolls full of vegetables with a peanut sauce. And spring rolls seem hard to make, but in reality they're quite simple and they taste so refreshing on a hot summer day. At my 3 o'clock cooking demonstration, I hope to make two snacks, peanut butter power balls and chocolate date balls. Those are both very simple things to prepare, and they make great snacks for camping, traveling, or just having around the house. So save the date and join me for a live in-person cooking demonstration at the Itasca County Fair on Saturday, August 17th in the commercial building at 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. Come for as many shows as you want. It should be a fun time, and I hope to see you there.